Right. Okay. So let's go to this. Go to the server. Right. Now I want to give the access. Right. So how can I give the access? Simply go to your login. Okay, which user you want to give, go to your logins first. Okay, for every user will have associated login, right? So go to your login. Okay, from there you can give it. Go to user mapping section. Someone started video, I guess. Yes. Okay, security and logins and js, double click on it. Go to user mapping. Go to sales, right? Let's give database permissions on sales dbo. Okay, done. So I want to give data reader permission. Okay, so simply select data reader, guys. Okay, data reader, just click ok. Okay, now he is able to read the data. Earlier you can see, right, this error, the select permission was denied. Now let's run the same query again. See here, now we got the output. So we have one more table in the sales table. One more table in the sales table. Please mute it, please mute it, please mute it. I'm just muted. Okay, right, we have one more table in the sales database. So what is the table name? Student. So now tell me, guys, Jayesh can access the student table or not?
Yes.
No.
Yes, sir. Read permission is
Yes,
there.
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No or
That is
yes?
for that is for particular that data.
Particular database only. Student is the same database, right? Student table is the part of sales database, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Now
Yes,
yes
sir. You
or
can
no?
read it. Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
Permission is there. Student.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I can
Yes,
answer.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
he can, sir.
let's
Read
let's
permission is there.
let's try then. Okay. Let's try. Okay. So I'm executing the query using alt text. What it is saying?
The student.
Okay. So the answer is yes.
Spelling mistake.
The
Spelling
answer is
mistake.
yes. Okay, that's what you have to concentrate. Okay, so here the error is, it's not saying that you don't have permission. If you don't have permission, it will clearly tell you that you don't have permission. It is simply saying, okay, that is invalid object name, means the at least the object is not existed, or object name is wrong. Okay, so the answer is yes, guys. How many tables are there in the database? Okay, Jayesh can read all the tables. Of course no records are there, but you can see column names, right? No records are there. Okay, in this table it's an empty table, but you can see column names. That means Jayesh can read the data from all the tables in that particular database, guys. If you are a member of data reader, then you can read all the tables from that particular database. In the sales database, how many tables? 1,000 tables are there. You can read all the 1,000 tables. If you are a member of data reader, you will get read access on the whole database, so that you can read all the tables from that particular database. Clear, guys? This is how it is going to work. Now tell me, we have for data reader, we have permission, select permission on any object, right? So what is the permissions will be there for data writer? Can anyone tell me what permissions will be there for data writer?
Write
Roles.
the data.
Sorry.
Insert, delete,
Insert,
update.
write the data.
Update.
Okay. So
Insert
yes,
data.
guys, insert and delete and update, all three are write operations only. If you are inserting something, that is a write operation. You are deleting something, that is a write operation. Insert, delete and update.
Update.
Insert, delete and update, all three are permissions. You can see here, delete permissions on any object. It is clearly saying on any object. So on the whole database, you can delete. Okay, insert, you can insert the records on all the tables of that particular database. You can update the records for all the tables in that particular database, guys. Okay, so this is how it will work. So a member of data writer can insert the data, can update the data, can delete the data. Okay, so this is how it will work, guys. So mostly we'll use data reader, data writer and a db owner, guys. 99% is server roles mostly will use sysadmin. Database roles mostly will use data reader, writer, db owner. Db owner, you can see it will act as a database owner. How sysadmin is powerful in the server level, db owner is powerful in the database level. He can do anything in the database level, anything. he can do in the database level. Okay, so let's go to data writer is done, data writer is done. Let's go to data DDL admin. Okay, what is the yes, here let's drag this DDL admin here. Construct, just a minute, guys. Right, you can just drag and drop here and you can execute this query. DDL admin, you can see, okay, almost all 12 permissions are there. Lot of permissions are there, but we don't use these guys, just to get an idea. Let me tell you a main terminologies, guys. Delete, drop, truncate. So you should know the differences between these three, guys. Okay, delete, drop, and truncate. Anyone knows the differences between these three?
Delete the particular record.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Drop completely drop the table structure also,
Yeah.
and truncate, not delete structure.
Yes.
And
Okay. Right. So let me go to sales table. So what is the difference between delete, drop, and truncate? Okay. So Control X. Let's go to here. Delete. First, what delete will do? Delete. You can see here, right? Right. You can see 8 records are there. See, for example, I can use star condition to delete all the records at a time. So if you use delete from table name, if you give like that, automatically it is going to delete all the records. Or I want to delete only a specific record. You have to give right like this, delete from table name, where delete from sales, where bill number. Okay, bill number is equal to which record I want to delete, 128 record I want to delete. Okay, so if you give like this, it will delete that particular record. Of course, this is for which one, Jayesh, right? So let's give Jayesh access. Okay, double click. Let's add him into the data writer role. Sales database, again data writer. Let's click OK. Okay, let's try like this now. Right, done. One row is affected means one row is deleted. Now you don't see 128 record in the table, right? So this is how you have to delete up to 127. You can see if you use delete star from table name, automatically delete all the records, guys. So delete will delete all the records or specific record at a time it will delete. That is your delete operation. What truncate will do, truncate will also do the same thing, but truncate will deallocate all the pages, guys. Truncate table name. In the truncate, you cannot use where condition. Truncate table name means delete. You can use where condition, specific record you want to delete, you can delete it using delete operation. But truncate you can use means it will delete the whole table, guys. All the records in the table at a time. Truncate table name, table sales. If I use now, okay, it is going to delete all the records at a time, guys. All the records at a time. Then what is the difference between drop and truncate? Both will do the same thing, right? Correct. Both will do the same thing. Drop also can do delete all the records. Truncate also can delete all the records. But what a truncate will do, the deleting, the way they are deleting is different, guys. In the delete query, they will delete one by one, and each operation will be logged in. Means it is going to be logged. Okay. Means you can roll back. If the operation is logged, you can roll back the transaction. You can undo the transaction. Whereas truncate, it will deallocate. See, imagine this table is stored in 2 pages. Truncate will deallocate whatever pages are allocated to this sales table. All the 2 pages will be deallocated. Means page level it is going to delete. Simply it will deallocate the pages of particular table name. So this is not a rollback operation. Rollback is not possible. If you execute truncate, rollback is not there for truncate. Means cancelling is not there for truncate. Deleting, you can cancel it in the middle of the transaction. You changed your mind. Our customer asked, hey, please stop, don't delete the records. You can cancel the transaction for delete. But truncate, once you ran it, you cannot change your mind, or you cannot get back the records. Truncate will deallocate all the pages that belongs to a table. You cannot cancel this truncate. It won't be rollbacked. That is the main difference. Drop will delete the whole table. The query is drop table name, drop table sales. Query is drop table sales. It will delete the all tables, guys. Listen carefully. When you create any table, lot of objects will be created, guys, like indexes, statistics. Okay, different objects will be created on a table, guys. What objects you want to see, go to any table, expand the table. There you can see. Okay, where is that security? This one, tables, and expand the tables. See here, key columns will be there, keys, constraints, triggers, indexes, statistics. All the objects will be there, guys. All the objects will be there. If you delete or dropped the table, I'm sorry, if you delete it or truncate the table, only the data inside the table will be deleted, guys. If you use delete query or truncate query, only the data inside the table will be deleted. Table will be existed, guys, nothing happened to the table, but the records inside the table will be deleted if you use truncate and delete. Got it, guys? Is it clear? If you use delete or truncate, these two commands will delete the records only. It can empty the table, but table still exists. With zero records also, an empty table can exist if you use delete and truncate. Yes, if you use drop, the whole table will be deleted, guys. The whole table will be deleted. Not only table, whatever objects are there, like indexes, statistics. See, once this entry is gone, all the entries that are under here, under this tree, will be gone, right? If you cut the tree, of course all the branches also will be gone. In the same way, if you drop this table, whatever all related objects are there, all the objects also will be deleted. Indexes, statistics, all the things will be deleted. That is the use of the drop, guys. Delete, truncate, and drop. Is it clear, everyone? Everyone, guys? Delete and
Okay,
truncate
sir.
table will exist, but records will be deleted completely. Whereas in the drop, the whole table will be deleted, and associated objects like indexes, statistics also will be deleted. Keys, whatever keys, primary key, unique key, whatever keys are there, those also will be deleted, guys. Okay, so this is how it will work. Any issues, any doubts? Okay, chalo, let's go to our next role. What is the next role? You can go to the security, you can go to the roles. Okay, data reader, data writer, DDL admin, we just discussed it, right? DDL admin, we can see this is the DDL admin query. Next, denied. Guys, tell me, what is data reader? What kind of permissions are there for data reader? For data
Delete.
reader,
Delete.
select, right?
Delete.
Deny data reader means what? What permissions will be there? Deny data reader. Data reader means select permission. Deny data reader,
Not selected.
no select.
Don't
That's it.
select.
Unselected.
Someone is just simply what whispering in his mouth. Okay, I see. If you are confident, this is mainly deals with the confidence, guys. No issues if you tell the answer. Okay, straight away. If you whispering in your mouth, I can't hear. Okay, so please try to be confident. Okay, no issues. Right. Deny data reader means no select. That's it. Now tell me what will be there for what permissions are there for deny data writer?
No right.
Cannot, you cannot insert.
No right
Hmm.
permission.
Usually what permissions are there for data writer?
Delete, insert,
Insert,
update.
update, delete,
Delete,
right?
insert, or
Uh,
update.
uh,
Update.
insert, update, and delete.
Delete.
Right. Now tell me, deny data writer, what permissions are there? Apply this
There
knowledge
is no
now.
permission.
No,
No permission
No
means which
permission, sir.
permission? Which
Delete,
no
permission?
delete, no update,
That's it.
no
delete,
insert.
No
update.
insert, no update, no delete.
Update, no delete.
Now I have a quick question for all of you. Deny data reader means he cannot read the data. Chalo, let's go like this. Let me go to Jayesh login. Let me go to user mapping. Let me select this database. Data reader is there. Uh, Let me uncheck this one. Forget about this role as of now. Okay, deny data reader. I'm giving data reader. I'm giving deny data reader. Now Jayesh can read the data or not. I need answers from everyone, guys. Yes, he can read it. No, he cannot read it. Just type your answers in the chat. Jayesh is a member of data reader and deny data reader. Now tell me Jayesh can read the data or not from the sales database. I need answers from everyone. 24 people are there. I mean, like 23 are there. Try to respond. Everyone, everyone. Yes means he can read the data. No means he cannot read the data. If no,
No, sir.
if you said no, you have to explain the reason also. So don't simply play Akpak Karvepak game. Okay? You have to explain the reason. If no. Still 4 people has to respond, guys. 4 people has to respond. Please respond. Otherwise, I'll ask you to respond. Still 2 more people has to respond. Don't know you're sleeping. If you're sleeping, answer and you can sleep again. Okay? Right. Only one person still is sleeping, I guess. Okay, okay. I got it. Okay, let's see. Got answers from everyone. Okay, 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 okay. Right. No, yes, no, 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 no. Oh my God, all are no only. No, he can't read it. No, no, no. Saket said yes. Jala Srinivas, no, no, no. No. Okay, very good, guys. Only except Srinivas, all are correct. Okay, he cannot read the data. Okay, why? Because as deny is there, deny only will work. Okay, at the end of the day, deny only will work. Okay, right? So this is how it will work. So if you're a member of data reader and deny data reader, until you remove him from the deny data reader role, he cannot read the data. Even though you might think, oh my God, what happened? We have already gave permissions. He's a member of data reader, but still he is unable to read the data. Jayesh will come back to us, right? Hey, I'm unable to read the data. I'm getting this error. But when you checked, Jayesh is having permissions. He's a member of data reader role, but still Jayesh is unable to read the data. What might be the reason? Someone denied it. Deny only will apply. Okay, now be ready with this question. I'll give you 5 reward points. Okay, if you answer this question, I'll give you 5 reward points. Listen carefully, just check it now. Sales database. Chalo, let's remove from this. Let him DB owner. Okay, DB owner, and what I can do, yes, is a member of DB owner and is a member of deny data reader. Okay, he's a member. Jayesh is a member of DB owner and Jayesh is a member of deny data reader. Now I need answers from everyone again. I need your support. Now Jayesh can read the data or not. Jayesh is a DB
Yes,
owner.
sir.
In the database level, he can do anything. Please answer in the chart. I
No,
need
sir.
answers.
No,
I need
sir.
answer. Please answer in the chart.
Sir, can you repeat again the question?
Jayesh is a member of DB owner. Okay, and he's a member of deny data reader. Now Jayesh can read the data or not. 13 people, 14 people responded till now. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Wow, super. 24. One person is giving 2 answers at a time. Momo, 25. Okay. So let's go to this. Sanja says no. Okay. Sorry. Sanja said yes. Chandu, yes. Vamshi, no. Yes. Srinivas, yes. Hiralal, no. Pradeep, yes. Murli, no. Deny is second highest. Okay. Jayesh, he can read the data. Okay. Santosh, yes. No. He's read the data. Yes. No. No. Nilima says no. SN Reddy, no. Yes. Chandu. Harminder, yes. Gopi, yes. 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 Okay. Chalo, done. Done. Who said yes for the first time? Jay said no. Okay, done. Okay, Jay, you will get 5 points. Okay. So the answer is no. Okay, let's execute this one. What it is saying? Why no? Why no, guys?
Denied is the second highest
Correct.
permission.
As discussed, first sysadmin, then deny, then DB owner, guys. So even though you are a DB owner, you cannot read the data. Why? Because deny is there on you. So deny only will apply. Deny versus sysadmin, who will win? Sysadmin. Deny versus DB owner, who will win?
Denied.
Denied.
Deny versus setup admin, who will win?
Denied.
Denied.
Deny versus security admin, who will win?
Denied.
Deny versus process admin, who will win?
Denied.
Deny. So in all the cases, deny only will win. Only in the sysadmin case, sysadmin will win. Okay. So deny cannot deny sysadmin, guys. This is one thing you have to remember. Right, chalo. Let's go to the next role. What is the next role, guys? Next role. DDL admin deny data writer. Okay, you know, right? Deny data writer means no select permission. Deny data writer means no insert, no update, no delete. Okay, for all insert, update, delete, you have to add no, no, no. Okay, so now you can execute no delete, no insert, no update. Means even though you are a member of, okay, data writer role, if you are a member of deny data writer role, you cannot insert the data, you cannot update the data, you cannot delete the data. Chalo. Okay, let's go to DB owner. Okay, so you can see like sysadmin, how many permissions are there for sysadmin? You can see almost all 57 permissions. What are the permissions are there for all these roles? For DB owner, you can see all the roles permission here, all the permissions. Okay, so nothing to discuss, guys. DB owner means you can do anything in the database level, unless and until if you don't have deny permissions on you. Okay, there is a star mark condition. If there is no deny, you can do everything in the database level. You can take the backup of the database, you can take the log backup of the database, you can create the tables, you can delete the tables, you can insert the records in the tables. Okay, you can whatever permissions are there, you can do. Okay, if you are a DB owner, you can do all the things, right? So next is security admin. Security admin is also kind of, we have security admin in the server role also, guys. Don't confuse here. Don't confuse. We have security admin, that is, if it is a DB role, you can see DB underscore. That's how you have to identify. DB underscore means that is a database role. DB underscore means that is a database role. Server role, you don't see anything like that. Okay, for the database roles only, you can see DB underscore. That means that is a database role. So DB security admin, you can see these are the permissions of a security admin. Of course, we don't use it. Users, okay, users and all, he can manage the things. And of course, public role. Okay, public role, nothing will be there, guys. Simply you'll get an answer like public is not a known fixed database role. Okay, public is not a known fixed role. Okay, this is how you can see, right? So these are all your particular database roles, fixed database roles. Can I create a customized database roles like server roles? Is it possible? Yes, no, maybe.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can create customized database roles. Okay, right click on the database roles, new role, new database role, you can. Okay, so you can just give the database role app db. I'm just giving name like this, app db custom role. Okay, so now you want to club the permissions. What kind of permissions I want to club it? Okay, go to securables. I hope you know the securable. Securable means what? What is meant by
Which resources
securable?
we are using?
Which resources we are using? Either it is a table, either it is a database, either it is a server. Everything is a securable only. Okay, search all objects, click OK. These are the securables in the database level. Okay, database, stored procedures, tables, views, inline functions. Okay, don't worry, we don't use all these things. Just go to databases and tables you want to see, just click OK. Okay, so now on all these permissions you want to mix together, you want to club the permissions. Okay, if you want a specific database permissions, okay, on this database I want, okay, delete I want deny, I want to give select permission, I want to give update permission, sorry, this one update permission. So like this I want to give different permissions. Okay, right? So on sales, on student I want to give some different permissions. I want to give alter permission, delete also I want to give, I want to give insert also, I want to give select also, I want to give update also, sorry, this one. Okay, so like this, on this table some permissions are there, on this table some permissions are there. Now if I click OK, now if I add any user while giving the access, I can add that particular user. Okay, Jayesh, and go to server roles, sorry, secure roles, server roles, select the database. Once you select the database, now you can see, okay, custom database roles, whatever we have created, that custom role you can see here, guys. We can simply select that custom role and you can click OK. Automatically, Jayesh, whatever permissions we just grouped, all the permissions will be applied on Jayesh. Where is that role, guys? I cannot see that role. Access admin, backup operator, reader, writer, reader, administrator, public. Where is that role? I cannot see. Just now we have created one role, right?
Refresh it.
Just refresh it. Let me refresh it again. Dish. Okay, refreshed. Logins. Jayesh. Server user mapping. Where, guys? I still don't see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 only is there. 10 only, 10 roles are there. 11, right? If I create one extra role. Where is that 11th role? 9 plus 1. Actually, database roles are 9 plus 1, 10. So only 10 I can see. Where is that role? Can anyone help me? Help me, guys.
Database is different.
Database is
selected cell.
different. Oh, thank you. I just waiting for the answer, guys. Only one got the answer. Okay, so now I can see. Okay, which database, guys? I just created the role in sales database. I don't see that role in any other databases. Server role you can see that is a whole server level, but database roles you can see only on the database level. So on in which database I have created this role, I have to select the database. Then only I can see that role. Okay, so if I click this role, app db custom role, if I click OK, now whatever permissions are there for this AppDB custom role, all the permissions will be applied for Jayesh at a time. Instead of giving single permission, you can group together all the permissions, whatever you need. Sir, who will tell which permission should be grant, which permission should be deny? Application people will tell you, guys. Nothing to worry. We don't decide it. It's their requirement. They will let us know. Based on their requirement, we are going to group the permissions. That's it. We
Sir,
don't do
there is a
anything. Yes, yes, please. Yes, please. Hello. Hello. Guys, can you hear me? Tell me,
Yes, sir.
someone is trying to say something, guys. Don't know what happened. 3 people are dropped. Okay, done. Okay, so that is how it is going to work, guys. So that is all about your database roles. Chalo, listen carefully. These 10 minutes are very important. Okay, so whatever we discussed in the security till now, 3 days. Let's summarize this security, guys. Someone comes to you and asked us to create to give the access. Okay, name. Let me go with one username here. Let's go with Gopi. Okay, Gopi comes to us. Gopi is asking permissions on a database. Gopi is asking permissions on a tables. Gopi is asking us to permissions to add him into the sysadmin role. These kind of requests will get it. Okay, so chalo, let's whatever discussed till now, the last 3 days, okay, about the security. Just listen carefully for this 10 minutes. You will get the idea about the security. Okay, so if I want to, if a person is a sysadmin, then will it automatically become DB1 and all the data? Correct. Yes, Sudhendra. So there is no question of DB1 now here. He can access all the databases with the sysadmin privileges. Yes, logically he will become DB1 in all the databases. Okay, the answer is logically he will become the DB1 in all the databases. Yes. Okay, chalo, we'll get a request. He is asking permissions to access the database. So what we can do, this time I don't show accessing the database and all. Simply I'll create the login name. I'll give the access to that particular database, to that particular login on that particular database. Chalo, Gopi, right? So you see, just Gopi login is not there. First we have to check. If a person is asking permissions, first we have to check whether he is a part of this logins list. No, Gopi is not there. Chalo, let's create new login for Gopi. Okay, so imagine it is a SQL authentication, Windows authentication, you know what to do. Okay, Gopi, right? So fine, that's okay. Gopi needs sysadmin, just give sysadmin, click OK. That's it, guys. What happened? Password failed. Okay, done, no issues. Okay, we have to give the password for Gopi, and I'm giving the password for Gopi. As it is a SQL login, I have to give the password for Gopi. Okay, done, guys. If Gopi needs sysadmin, I can go to server roles, I can select sysadmin role, and I can click OK. That's it. Gopi, whatever we need, we can give access to Gopi. Okay, now Gopi can server level. He is a sysadmin. He can do anything in the server level now. Gopi can do anything in the server level. Okay, chalo, let's we get the screen. Right, this is how we are going to give the access for Gopi. If Gopi is looking for sysadmin, someone asked, hey, please remove the sysadmin for Gopi. Double click on the login, go to server role, uncheck the sysadmin. That's it. Gopi raised a request. Hey, can you please give me access on the sales database? I want to read the data. Okay, chalo, no problem. Gopi login is there or not? Yes, it's there. Double click on Gopi login. Go to user mapping. This time we don't go to server roles. Okay, as he's asking permissions on the specific database, go to database user mapping. Go to sales database. Okay, just give DBO here. And what permissions he need? Data reader, data writer, DB owner, what he need, just give the permissions. Okay, in my case I'm just giving data reader, just clicking OK. This is how we'll add him into the particular database role. Chalo, let's Gopi is looking for permissions on a specific I want to remove the permissions from Gopi. Okay, go to the database, go to the login, go to user mapping section, go to the database, uncheck it. That's it. This is how we have to remove permissions. Gopi is specifically looking for access on a specific table, guys. Only a table he want to read. On the sales database, there are two tables, but he is looking for only specific table. He is looking for only specific table. In that case, what we can do? Okay, so if it is a new login, if it is an existing login, that's okay. If it is a new login, guys, okay, Gopi is already existent, Gopi is already having access on the database, so that's, you don't see big difference. Let's go with a different login this time. Let's go with Sudhindra. Okay, Sudhindra, we can give Gopi also, but you don't see difference, big difference, guys. Sudhindra. Okay, so what I can do, SQL login, and I'm giving the strong password 123 tab 123. Guys, this time what you are going to do, go to user mapping, just select the sales database DBO, just select give access on sales database. Okay, so that Sudhindra user will be created, guys. Click OK. Don't give any permissions here, just click OK. Done. Right, now how to give access to Sudhindra? Let's go to Sudhindra section first. Let me connect as Sudhindra. Okay, Sudhindra 123. Let me go to this Sudhindra, cancel, Control C, okay, Control V. 123, right? Of course, it will ask the new password 1234 1234. Then now Sudhindra is connected. Now Sudhindra is having access on sales database, but he cannot see the tables, guys. In the sales database we have tables, but he cannot see the, why? Because he just have access on sales. He don't have access. He is not member of data reader, data writer, anything. He can only access, connect to the database. He can expand the database. He cannot see the tables and all. I want to give specific table access to Sudhindra. In two ways you can do, either from user properties or from table properties. Which table you want to give access? Go to that particular table. Sales table I want to give access. Go to the properties of this table, guys. Okay, go to permissions page. To which login I want to give access? To which user? Sudhindra, right? Select this search. Type Sudhindra. Okay. Check names. Sudhindra is already there. If you type Gopi, Gopi also will come. If you type some other name, okay, let's type Sandhya. Okay, I'm sorry. Let me type here. Sanjay user is not there in the database, so you will get a error like this, name not found. Sudhindra is already there in the database, so that's why we got a result for Sudhindra. Let's click OK. Just click OK. What happened? Okay, let me delete this one. Just click OK. Now this is Sudhindra. Which permission you need? I need select permission. Select the particular permission. Click OK. Now Sudhindra can read the data, guys. Okay. Let me. This is JS login, right? Refresh. Now go to databases. It was disconnected, guys. Again. That's all about the security. That's it. These kind of requests will get. Create logins, giving access on databases, giving access, adding him into the server roles, or adding him into the database roles, or giving access on any particular table. I hope these things are clear for everyone, right? Agree? Any issues, any doubts, guys? See here, even though we have two tables, but Sudhindra can see only one table. He cannot see other table. Okay, we have student table is also there. See here, student table, sales table, but Sudhindra can see only one table. Why? Because he's having access on only on one table. Okay, so this is how. If you want to check whether Sudhindra can read the data or not, open session from Sudhindra, select star from sales table. Okay, so what I can do, sales database is there, dot sales table. Okay, database name dot table name. Okay, you can read the data. We have one more database table is there. Okay, control V. What is the table name? Student. Okay, if you execute this, now he will get the error. Why? Because select permission is denied. There is no permissions to Sudhindra on this particular table. Okay, so this is all about your security, guys. See here in this 10, the other trainers will teach you this 10 minutes only. If you go to security with other trainers, they will teach you this 10 minutes class. They don't teach what is server role, what is database role, how to create customized server roles, how to create customized database, how the security will work. First of all, they won't explain. I can tell you in this 10 minutes also, the security, whole security I can cover in 10 minutes also. It is very easy for you. Chalo, let's reconnect, guys. Okay, let's reconnect. We'll close the session as early as possible.